Your freezer is full of money and you are never going to see it again. Every unlabeled bag, every frosted container you stopped trying to identify, every protein bought on sale with real intentions that got buried and forgotten, that is not a storage problem. That is a visibility problem. And the cost is every dollar spent on your food your household never ate. I'm Vanessa. This is Prep and Purpose. And today we fix the freezer. Go open yours right now. I already know what you see. No labels, something in foil from weeks ago, a container so frosted you gave up, full and useless because nothing in it can be identified without an investigation you do not have energy for. So you close it and it keeps collecting things that will never come out. Here is what your freezer looks like when it is running with the system. Everything labeled with what it is and the date it went in. Bases in their section, quart bags flat, frozen and stacked, scannable in seconds. Pull one without disturbing anything else. Supports in their section, frozen vegetables organized and visible, and one dedicated section for emergency meals. Gallon bags of fully assembled complete meals, not ingredients to figure out, finished meals, labeled, dated. Oldest in front, your magic number ready for the week that actually needs them. A freezer running this way takes 30 seconds to read. You know what you have, what needs to come out, and whether the emergency section needs to be rebuilt this maintenance day. 3 things that make this possible: labels, zones, and a 30-second weekly check. Everything going in gets labeled before it goes in. What it is and the date, 10 seconds. Without the label, it is unidentifiable in 2 weeks and eventually thrown away. With the label, you always know exactly what you have. Zones next. Bases together, supports together, emergency meals together. Everything stays in its section. When it does, you can read the whole freezer in 30 seconds and know exactly what is available. The weekly check happens during the reset. 3 questions. What needs to come out this week? What needs to thaw? Is the emergency section at the magic number, 30 seconds? And about those emergency meals, they are not for a tired Tuesday. They are not for the night you just don't feel like cooking. They are for the sick week, the unexpected trip, the true emergency, the moments when someone needed all of you and the kitchen needed to run without you. That is what those gallon bags are sitting there for. Label it, zone it, check it weekly. And the most frustrating layer in your kitchen becomes the most reliable one. Coming up, the one method that makes your frozen bases as flexible and usable as the one sitting in your fridge right now. Reduce decisions, install structure, and as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.